PPI's got a new press machine.
Remember the other day we told you about the new press machine PPI just bought?
Check out on here, we'll wow you too, with machines that roar and never quit. PPI's the best, we don't just sit. 10 years strong, we're here to stay, making cabinets the Panama way. From saws that cut with precision right to polishers that
Well,
make
they have been putting it to good use.
craftsmanship's the key. For quality cabinets, it's plain to see, with machines that roar and never quit. PPI's the best, we don't just sit. 10 years strong, we're here to stay, making cabinets the Panama way.
But that's not all. They have all these other fancy machines that do so much more.
PPI craftsmanship's the key. For quality cabinets, it's plain to see, with machines that roar and never quit. PPI's the best.
Just look at this edging machine.
We're here to stay, making cabinets the Panama way. So raise a toast to our decade-long where innovation and skill belong. PPI's machinery, our pride and cheer, making cabinets that last year after year, with machines that roar and never quit.
And of course, they have a CNC router. This is the kind of precision you'd expect from PPI in Panama.
With precision right to polishers that make surfaces bright. At PPI, craftsmanship's the key for quality cabinets.
Before each kitchen or bathroom leaves the factory, it is pre-assembled to be sure everything is PPI perfect.
10 years strong, we're here to stay, making cabinets the Panama way. So raise a toast to our decade-long
Pan Pacific Interiors in Panama, pressing on.
making cabinets the last year after year. 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 Making cabinets the last year
PPI,
after
10
year.
years, and still going strong.